I consider to be facial imaging using ultrasounds to be essential. Once you've done this and you've seen what you can see, there's no way you're going to do without it, because you understand it gives more safety, it gives you more quality, and your patients are more happy. That's basically what it's all about.
Nuestro sueño es generar toda una comunidad de médicos especialistas en ultrasonografía facial que nos ayuden a promover, a dispersar el conocimiento y ayudar a nuestros pacientes a tener mejores resultados. Y de México para toda Latinoamérica.